Hi students, I would like to show you how to put your speaking assessment parent-teacher interview in your ePortfolio. So you're going to go to your ePortfolio right here and then find your name, and you're going to see that you've got the recording. You should listen to it, and then you also have my marking sheet. So check out the marking sheet and read my comments, and then you are going to move them into speaking. So you've got two things to move into speaking, and click move, and then this lovely picture, click it into speaking, click move, and then we're going to record it on the inventory sheets. Double click. By the way, this is your last one. Okay, so that's pretty exciting, and go down. And the date that you did the speaking was December 2nd, 2021. And the task was talking about no, that was not it. Sorry. It was November 27th, 2021. And it was parent-teacher interview, formal assessment, and that one was sharing information. There was no score, but you got a mark of a 2 if you were not successful, or a 3 that was successful. Okay, so now that is how you do it, and then you can click out of it right here, clicking the X, clicking back on your name, and it should be all clean, and you can celebrate. Yay! The last assessment.